Ventura police say they arrested a Ventura man on firearm and other charges following a shots-fired call, a foot pursuit and a search. It began Tuesday morning with the shots-fired call in the area of Peacock Avenue and Whippoorwill Street. Officers responded and spotted the suspect, and there was a foot pursuit. They found ammunition on the man but no gun, although they believe the individual threw the gun away during the foot pursuit. Police got a search warrant for a house on Catherine Avenue and Geneva Street that initially involved the SWAT team and then detectives. They found the gun. Ultimately they arrested 24-year-old Ernesto Orozco of Ventura on felony and misdemeanor weapons and drug charges. He was booked into the Ventura County Jail with bail set at $65,000.